Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can improve battery life on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. There are a few things that we can do in order to improve the battery life. So let's start by going to the settings. In the settings you want to go to connections, then choose more connection settings, and over here you want to turn off nearby device scanning. If you want to keep your battery state as healthy as long as possible, then definitely you should use this option. You shouldn't keep this option on for moments when you don't really need to use it. Of course, you can turn it back on when you need to, but essentially it is definitely better to keep this off. Another thing that we can do is go to lock screen and AOD, and this time we want to disable always on display. If you want to keep your battery for a little bit longer, then disabling AOD definitely helps you with that. Then we can go to location, and over here what we can do is essentially disable the location, but before we do that we can also go to location services, and we want to disable Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning. Of course you can keep this on when you are searching for Bluetooth devices or for Wi-Fi connections, but other than that you can definitely turn this off and not use it too much in order to maximize the battery life. Now, of course, like I mentioned, we can just disable the location itself as well. Besides disabling location, we want to also disable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and mobile data if you not use it. Of course, when you use it, then feel free to use it to keep this on. But if you are not connected to any Bluetooth device, then you definitely want to turn it off. You want to turn off Wi-Fi calling, you want to turn off Wi-Fi if you don't use it. And you want to turn off the mobile data by going to SIM manager, and over here you have mobile data and you can turn this off. So essentially turn off everything that you don't use at the specific moment, and when you need to, simply turn it back on. Now let's go back, and this time we're gonna go to security and privacy, and then scroll down to go to more privacy settings. And here what we need to do is turn off or make sure that the send diagnostic data is turned off. And while here we can also go down and go to usage and diagnostics, and here you can also turn this option off. Now let's go back to settings menu, and here we want to go to battery. Here in battery you have several options that will definitely improve the battery life, like power saving. You should definitely use it whenever you need to. You can also choose what should be used when the power saving is on. You can also tap on these three dots in order to choose the adaptive power saving, which means that it will be automatically on and off, turning itself on and off based on your usage patterns. So the device will learn your behavior and how often and when you use your device, and then turn the power saving on and off by itself. So really cool feature. And besides that, we also have battery protection, which should definitely be enabled, and then we should use at least adaptive mode over here. You can also switch to maximum if you want to maximize the battery life, but adaptive is definitely enough for the regular daily usage. We also have charging settings, and some people say that perhaps fast charging can also use your battery more than without this option. So if you are one of those people that think so, then you can of course disable fast charging in order to keep the battery in a more healthy state for a little bit longer. And the last thing that I want to show you is the refresh rate, as it also helps you to keep the battery for a little bit longer. So you can go to display, then go to motion smoothness, and over here you can switch to standard and then press apply. Of course you will use 60 Hz refresh rate, but it will help you keep the battery for longer. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.